Yes, Sora is here. OpenAI released a statement, introducing Sora, OpenAI's text-to-video model in mid-February this year. Recently, OpenAI unveiled its groundbreaking technology, Sora. The question is, what is Sora? Sora is OpenAI's text-to-video generative AI model. That means you write a text prompt, and it creates a video that matches the description of the prompt. Similar to text-to-image generative AI models like DALL-E 3, Stable Diffusion, and Midjourney, Sora operates as a diffusion model. This Big Sur video is generated by Sora using a text prompt, and it produced an extraordinary result. This is unreal. Yet it appears so real and natural. The entire YouTube community and media went ballistic. In order to be first reviewer on the YouTube, many YouTube czars made scary statements putting Sora in a witness box. There were tech reviews in magazines and leading newspapers making huge war cry as if the entire humanity was in danger.
This AI tool will change the world.
Will Sora amplify fake news?
This AI is dangerous.
A lot of jobs will be lost.
Sora will change the global economy forever.
Is this the end?
And the firework continues. OpenAI CEO, Sam Altman, unveiled Sora, a tool that converts text into videos. Sora can generate videos up to a minute long and maintain visual quality and adherence to the user's prompt. Sora has the capability to generate videos lasting up to 60 seconds. A key innovation within Sora lies in its ability to simultaneously process multiple video frames, addressing the challenge of maintaining consistency when objects transition in and out of view. In the subsequent video, observe how the kangaroo's hand exits the frame repeatedly, yet upon its return, remains consistent in appearance. But is this a deliberate action from the innovators so that viewers and commentators will jump upon and comment adversely, giving huge publicity to Sora? Sora merges a diffusion model with a transformer architecture, akin to the one employed by GPT. The current reliability of Sora remains uncertain. While the examples provided by OpenAI showcase high quality, the extent of cherry-picking involved is unclear. In text-to-image tools, it's customary to generate multiple images and select the most suitable one. It's unknown how many images the OpenAI team generated to produce the videos featured in their first release. Let us closely examine this amazing clip of hornbills in Brazilian forest. The rendering of this video is certainly a masterpiece. If generating hundreds or thousands of videos is necessary to obtain a single usable one, it could hinder adoption. To ascertain this, we must await widespread availability of the tool. Sora is being taught to understand and simulate the physical world in motion, with the goal of training models that help people solve problems that require real-world interaction. The concept of physical world in motion refers to the dynamic nature of the real world, where objects, people, and events are constantly in flux. Sora AI is engineered to navigate and interact within this ever-changing environment, adapting its behavior and responses in real time. Sora AI operates within the physical world in motion by perceiving its surroundings, analyzing sensory input, taking appropriate actions, and continuously adapting to changes in the environment. Sora can generate videos maintaining visual quality and adherence to the user's prompt. With Sora AI's cutting-edge capabilities, scientists have unlocked the power to generate incredibly lifelike simulations. Meet the puppies of Sora AI, meticulously crafted with precision and care, each one a testament to the extraordinary potential of artificial intelligence. Sora is able to generate complex scenes with multiple characters, specific types of motion, and accurate details of the subject and background. The model understands not only what the user has asked for in the prompt, but also how those things exist in the physical world. The model has a deep understanding of language, enabling it to accurately interpret prompts and generate compelling characters that express vibrant emotions. Sora can also create multiple shots within a single generated video that accurately persist characters and visual style. The current model has weaknesses. Check the movements of the robotic worker and his interaction on the shop floor. The framework may struggle with accurately simulating the physics of a complex scene, and may not understand specific instances of cause and effect. Sora is a diffusion model, which generates a video by starting off with one that looks like static noise and gradually transforms it by removing the noise over many steps. Sora is capable of generating entire videos all at once or extending generated videos to make them longer. Similar to GPT models, Sora uses a transformer architecture, unlocking superior scaling performance. Sora generates videos based on a prompt. The prompt may be a very complex narration of a desired video. Check the example of animals jumping in the lab in a Petri dish and around microscopes. The dog moving out of a window is another classic example of Sora's capability of generating realistic videos. As a result, the model is able to follow the user's text instructions in the generated video more faithfully. The bouncing imaginary animal looks like a species arrived from another planet. In addition to being able to generate a video solely from text instructions, the model is able to take an existing still image and generate a video from it, animating the image's contents with accuracy and attention to small detail. The model can also take an existing video and extend it or fill in missing frames. Sora serves as a foundation for models that can understand and simulate the real world, a capability which will be an important milestone for achieving AGI. AGI stands for Artificial General Intelligence. It refers to a type of artificial intelligence that possesses the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge in a way that is comparable to human intelligence across a wide range of tasks and domains. Unlike narrow or specialized AI, which is designed to perform specific tasks or functions, AGI aims to emulate the broad cognitive abilities of human beings. The OpenAI's text-to-video tool Sora could change science and society. The recent launch of OpenAI's Sora text-to-video AI tool prompted a blend of apprehension and enthusiasm among researchers, reflecting concerns over potential misuse of the technology. This innovative technology poses particular problems with upcoming elections in many countries. They could be very disruptive politically, socially and personally, making it very difficult to determine what is real and what is not. OpenAI is very concerned about the dangers Sora could manifest. It is not releasing the software until it has safeguards in place. Check the following video where I am making a statement for Sora. This is completely AI-generated video with cloned AI-generated voice. Sora has the capability to generate videos lasting up to 60 seconds. A key innovation within Sora lies in its ability to simultaneously process multiple video frames, addressing the challenge of maintaining consistency when objects transition in and out of view. This is my video. This is completely AI-generated video with cloned AI-generated voice. How dangerous this could be if used by rival political parties to malign the other candidates contesting the election. You need just a photo, or a short video and a 2 minutes audio clip. You are in a great danger. In today's social media blind generations, who believe in what is published and circulated in social media is sacrosanct and gospel truth, the danger is very, very serious. There may be colossal numbers of fake videos and fake audio circulating. Artificial intelligence is like a black hole of endless possibilities. This is AI hole which has begun its path to infinity. There are potential benefits to the technology, too. Text-to-video AI tools like Sora have the potential to assist researchers in navigating vast datasets, such as those generated by institutions like CERN, the European Particle Physics Laboratory located near Geneva, Switzerland, as well as other extensive scientific endeavors. Generative AI could sift out code and do the mundane tasks of research. Concerns have also been raised by people working in creative industries. AI could enable popular movie actors around the world to continue appearing in films, from now until the end of time, after their death. If you were a young ambitious actor thinking about their future, and you were told, "I'm sorry, there are many actors now or heaven will perform on earth and will always going to play the leading roles," would you plan a future in that industry? Text-to-video AI will throw up broad issues for society to face. We're going to have to learn to evaluate the content we see in ways we haven't in the past. These tools put the opportunity to be a media content creator in the hands of everybody. It's a fundamental shift in the way material will be consumed. Like any advanced AI technology, Sora AI may carry certain risks, including biased output. There's a risk of biased or inappropriate content being generated by the AI, particularly if the training data contains biases or the prompt provided by the user is biased. The use of Sora to create videos could infringe upon individuals' privacy rights if used to generate content without their consent or to create deepfake videos. As with any software system, there's a risk of security vulnerabilities in Sora that could be exploited by malicious actors for various purposes, including data breaches or cyber attacks. Sora's ability to automate video generation tasks could lead to economic disruption in industries reliant on human labor for such tasks, potentially resulting in job displacement or changes in job roles. To mitigate these risks, responsible development, deployment, and use of Sora AI are essential. This includes rigorous testing for bias and ethical considerations, implementing safeguards for privacy and security, promoting transparency in the use of AI-generated content, and ensuring human oversight and accountability in decision-making processes involving Sora. Despite initial concerns, Sora AI holds immense potential to revolutionize various aspects of society in the future, offering new opportunities for creativity, problem-solving, and interaction with the digital world. As we continue to navigate the complexities of AI technology, thoughtful consideration and responsible implementation will be key to realizing the full benefits of Sora AI while mitigating any associated risks. In conclusion, the future applications of Sora AI hold immense promise across a multitude of domains. From healthcare and education to entertainment and beyond, Sora AI is poised to revolutionize the way we interact with technology and the world around us. With its advanced capabilities in generating lifelike simulations, Sora AI has the potential to enhance training programs, streamline data analysis, and even transform the entertainment industry with immersive virtual experiences. By harnessing the power of Sora AI, we can unlock new realms of creativity, discovery, and exploration, shaping a world where the extraordinary becomes the norm. So let us embrace the limitless potential of Sora AI and embark on a journey towards a future limited only by our imagination. Thank you very much.